Hi, my name is Brady Brantley, and I'll be discussing climate change, the role humans play, and what effects we could see here in our own state. So what is climate change? Well, it's a long-term change in the Earth's climate, especially a change due to an increase in the average atmospheric temperatures. We all live in what's known as a greenhouse, meaning the light from the sun is cast down onto the surface and then reflected back in the form of infrared heat. Certain gases will trap that heat and keep the Earth warm and at a habitable temperature. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are among the most important of those gases. Scientists use models of Venus to help make predictions of what could potentially happen here on Earth, since it actually has an atmosphere that's similar to Earth's, or at least used to be. Currently, the atmosphere of Venus is nearly all carbon dioxide. Venus has about 154,000 times as much carbon dioxide in its atmosphere as Earth, producing a runaway greenhouse effect and a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead. So what part do we play in all of this? Well, on Earth, human activities are changing the natural greenhouse. Over the last century, the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil has increased the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide. This happens because the coal or oil burning process combines carbon with oxygen in the air to make carbon dioxide. To a lesser extent, the clearing of land for agriculture, industry, and other human activities has also increased concentration of greenhouse gases. There's much more to all of this, but this is essentially the most important aspect of it all in terms of the role that humans play. So what can we expect here in Idaho? Well, the warmer climate could mean less snowfall, more winter rain, and a faster, earlier snowmelt. This could result in lower reservoirs and water supplies in the summer and fall. Additionally, without increases in precipitation, higher summer temperatures and increased evaporation also would contribute to lower stream flows and lake levels in the summer. Drier summer conditions would intensify competition for water among the diverse and growing demands in Idaho. Idaho depends largely on agriculture for the state's economy, and issues with water and soil moisture could lead to tension within the agricultural community. And not only would it affect agriculture, but other hobbies such as fishing. Fish populations are very sensitive to environmental changes, and the majority of Idahoans enjoy hiking, hunting, and overall the outdoors, but with the hotter and drier weather we are already seeing increases in forest fire intensity, which are now threatening both people's property as well as the forest itself. So what can we do? Climate change is an extremely complex issue. Considering it involves economics, science, society, politics, and ethics, it's also a global issue. The effects of climate change will be felt for generations, but if we act now, we can help mitigate it. There are a number of things we can do to reduce our impact, including reducing our greenhouse gas emissions by carpooling, walking, biking, taking public transportation. You can also use your energy more efficiently by investing in LED lights. You can invest in renewables. Get educated so you can educate others, and one of the most important things is voting. Thank you for listening.